Want to turn your skills into cash? You're in the right place. In this video, I'll share 5 in-demand skills that can help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. No prior experience required. Whether you're a beginner or looking to expand your skill set, these are perfect for you. Let's dive in. First up is lead generation. Businesses are always looking for new customers, and they're willing to pay for help finding them. As a lead generator, you'll research potential clients and provide businesses with valuable contact information. Start by learning tools like LinkedIn Sales Navigator or Hunter.io, which make it easy to find leads. Many businesses pay $20 to $100 per hour for lead generation services, depending on the industry. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or reach out to small businesses directly. With consistent effort, this skill can become a steady income stream. Next is podcast editing. With podcasts growing in popularity, creators need help editing their episodes to sound professional. As a podcast editor, you'll clean up audio, add intros and outros, and ensure the final product is polished. Start by learning tools like Audacity or Adobe Audition, which are great for beginners. Many podcasters pay $20 to $100 per episode, depending on the length and complexity. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or reach out to podcasters directly. With a bit of practice, you can build a portfolio and attract higher-paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy working with audio and want to tap into a growing industry. Third is motion graphics. With video content dominating the internet, businesses need eye-catching animations for ads, social media, and presentations. As a motion graphics artist, you'll create dynamic visuals that grab attention. Start by learning software like Adobe After Effects or Blender, which are widely used in the industry. Many clients pay $50 to $200 per project, depending on the complexity. To stand out, focus on storytelling and animation principles. You can find clients on platforms like Behance or Fiverr or by networking with content creators. With consistent effort, this skill can open doors to high-paying opportunities in the creative industry. Fourth is product photography. With the rise of e-commerce, businesses need high-quality images to showcase their products. As a product photographer, you'll take professional photos that make products look irresistible. Start by learning the basics of photography, including lighting, composition, and editing. Many businesses pay $20 to $100 per hour for product photography services, depending on the complexity of the shoot. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Fiverr or reach out to local businesses that sell products online. With a bit of practice, you can build a portfolio and attract higher-paying clients. This skill is perfect if you enjoy photography and want to tap into a growing industry. Finally, let's talk about Google Ads management. Businesses rely on Google Ads to reach their target audience, and if you can manage these campaigns effectively, you'll be in high demand. As a Google Ads manager, you'll create and optimize campaigns to drive traffic and sales. Start by learning Google Ads Manager, which is the go-to tool for creating and managing campaigns. Many businesses pay $30 to $150 per hour for ad management services, depending on the size of the campaign. To get started, offer your services on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr or reach out to small businesses that need help with their online advertising. With a bit of practice, you can turn this skill into a steady income stream. And there you have it. 5 skills you can start learning today to make money online fast. Whether you choose lead generation, podcast editing, motion graphics, product photography, or Google Ads management, each of these skills has the potential to help you earn $500 to $5,000 a month. Remember, success comes from taking action. Start small, stay consistent, and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss tomorrow's video, where I'll share even more skills to boost your online income. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.